10 amazing things in nature you won't believe actually exist. 1. Underwater forest in Kaindy Lake, Kazakhstan. The sunken forest is part of a 400-meter-long Lake Kaindy in Kazakhstan's portion of the Tian Shan Mountains located 129 kilometers from the city of Almaty. 2. The ghost trees in Pakistan. The eye-catching phenomenon is an unexpected side effect of the flooding in parts of Pakistan. 3. The Dirty Thunderstorm. A dirty thunderstorm, also volcanic lightning, is a weather phenomenon that occurs when lightning is produced in a volcanic plume. 4. Cenote, underground natural spring in Mexico. Nature creates wonders, sometimes it's really hard to believe. This underground natural spring in Mexico is one of them. 5. Reflective salt flats in Bolivia. Amazing salt flats where the sky and ground merge into one to create dreamy landscapes. Salar de Uyuni is the world's largest salt flat at 10,582 square kilometers. 6. Light pillars over Moscow. It's a visual phenomenon created by the reflection of light from ice crystals with near horizontal parallel planar surfaces. 7. Shimmering shores of Vatu, Maldives. Pinpricks of light on the shore seem to mirror stars, as seen in above picture taken on Vatu Island in the Maldives. 8. The Wave, Arizona. Another most amazing things in nature, the wave located in Arizona, United States. 9. Rainbow eucalyptus trees in Kailua, Hawaii. One of the most amazing things in nature, the Eucalyptus deglupta. It is a tall tree, commonly known as the rainbow eucalyptus. 10. The Blood Falls in Antarctica. Antarctica is the world's coldest place. If you enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe.